Hey folks, it's Mr. Patrick here at the library. Welcome to Tinkers and Thinkers 2022. This video is for all of you who picked up one of these Tinker boxes. Let's take a look inside and see what sort of projects are in store for us. Okay. Oh, first thing I find is a rolled up colorful tube. I'm going to save this rubber band. And let's take a look. Oh, I've got some graph paper in here. And what have I got? 3D glasses template. And, oh, some constellations. Yours might be a different color. Oh, some toothpick puzzles. That piques my curiosity. What else have I got in here? Some paper cups. And, an envelope filled with toothpicks. I've got a blue lens and a red lens, a blue pen, and a red pen. I got a battery. I've got, what's this thing? An LED, a light-emitting diode. That should be illuminating. And what else have I got? Some copper tape. Another rubber band. This one's really long. And a paper clip. And then I have all of these wood pieces. Some round pieces. Some funky shaped pieces. Some really funky shaped pieces. Some little round ones. 2 dowels. One of them's got a pin in it, a little metal nail. And then this one. I think that's everything in our box. Did you have all of those pieces? Now, we had some folks helping us assemble 1,000 of these kits. So if you're missing one piece, come and let me know. I'll be at the library. Just ask for whatever it is that you're missing, and we'll make sure you have all the pieces to complete the 5+ projects inside this kit. Well, now that you know what's inside, do you have any guesses for what you can do with all of this? I mean, what do you use these for? And what are all these wood pieces? To find out and to build along with me, take a look at the next few videos. Thanks for building with me for Tinkers and Thinkers 2022.